Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will talk about different types of rashes in babies and children, which are not associated with fever or itch. In the previous video, we discussed different types of rashes in babies and children, which were associated with fever and itch. If you want to watch that video, you can visit the link given in description. Some babies, when they are a few days old, get white small spots on their faces. These are called milia. They usually clear up within a few weeks without getting any treatment. Some babies, when they're born, get raised red, yellow and white spots which usually appear on face, body, upper arms and thighs. This is called erythema toxicum. The rash can disappear and reappear. It usually clears up in a few weeks without treatment. If your child has small, firm, raised spots that can appear anywhere on the body, it is known as molluscum contagiosum. It's common in children. No treatment is recommended because the spots clear up on their own, although it can take more than a year. Nappy rash is very common in babies. There are red patches on your baby's bottom or around the whole nappy area. The skin may look sore and feel hot. There may be spots and blisters, which can make your child uncomfortable or distressed. Nappy rash cream can be applied to help clear it up. Some babies can have acne within a month after birth, but usually it clears up after a few weeks or months. Washing your baby's face with water and a mild moisturizer can help. Do not use acne medicines which are intended for older children and adults. Cradle cap is another type of rash when a baby gets yellowish, greasy, scaly patches on their scalp. It usually gets better without treatment in a few weeks or months. Gently washing your baby's hair and scalp with baby shampoo may help prevent more patches. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.